there is a distance formula for coordinate geometry. Distance formula, distance formula, that is like this. We have to write PQ is equal to root of bracket x square bracket x2 second x2 minus x1 minus x1, so x2 down it should come, it is big 2, sorry, it is coming like that, minus x1 bracket whole square by whole square x2 minus x1 whole square. Next is next we have to do is minus x1 whole square plus, not there, here we will come on it, plus bracket x bracket x plus x naught y2 minus y1 minus y1 bracket whole square. This is the distance formula. So by using this formula only we have to solve the exercise. So let's come to the first exercise, that is exercise 7.1. First question is, we have to find the distance between the pairs. So the first question is 2 comma 3 bracket comma 4 comma 1 is the question. 4 comma 1 is the question. So on this we have, first one is the this 2 is the, this one is x1, the 2 is x1 and the y is, and the 3 is y1 as well as the next one is the 4 is x2, the 4 is, the fourth one is x2, the 4 number is x2, it belongs like this, x2 we have to take, and the 1 belongs to y2 like this we have to take. Now let's put the distance formula, that is root bracket x2 minus x1 bracket whole square and plus y2 minus y1 bracket whole square, this formula. Now what you have to do means root bracket the x2 is 4 minus bracket 4 minus x1 is 2 bracket 2 space plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 bracket whole square. So when we solve this, what we get? 2 to the 4 root, we get root 4 into 4 we get is equal to we get is equals root 8 we get, So when root 8 we get, the root 8 is equal to when we do root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. This is the answer. Like this you have to put the formula and solve the question. For that, by using this distance formula you can solve that. So next question is, third question I will solve. Determine that determine that determine that and at 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 11 or colonial or colonial or colonial. So till now we have solved these problems by using distance formula. This also will take 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So I will not write distance formula, I will solve it directly. So 1 comma 2, the x1, so 2 minus 1 bracket whole square plus next is 3 minus 5, 3 minus 3 minus 5 bracket whole square. So when you solve this problem you get 2 minus 1, that is you get 1 square 1, so root 5 you get. So second, next let's take 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 11. So next is root bracket minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 bracket whole square plus whole square plus bracket next minus 11 and minus 11 minus 3 bracket whole square is equal to, so when it's minus into minus, plus 4 whole square, that is root that is 8 plus 14, so 8 root 8 root 8 8 plus 14 14 is 16 plus 192, that is 200 and 196, that is we get total is answer is 212, like that only. Take this, next is minus 2 comma minus 11, next 1 comma 5 we have to take, so root, so I am not putting that numbers a b c x1 y1 x2 y2, so you have to understand that. So bracket, so here x1 is minus 2 and x2 is 1, so 1 minus bracket minus 2 bracket whole square plus, and next is bracket minus 11 minus 11 minus 5 minus 11 minus 5 bracket whole square. So by doing this, minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9 plus minus into minus plus 15 15 is 256. So total is root 265 is the answer is 265. So see here, colonial means all numbers should be equal. If you are getting root 5, all answer, if we do 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3 distance formula, if we get 5 root 5, and if we do 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 with the root, and if we get root 5 means the root 5, then it is colonial. If we not get, it is not colonial. So this is not colonial. See, we are getting different numbers, so it is not colonial. So it is not colonial. It is not colonial, as well as it is not colonial. And questions are same like this only. You have to solve. Here they have given three brackets. There they have given four brackets. So nothing you have to do. 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3. You have done like that. 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 11. Like that only minus 2 comma minus 11. If another bracket they have given, that number also you should add. Then that number and first number you have to add. That's all. Like that only you have to do. The other questions also they have given like this only. So like this only you have to do and find the answer. Another sum is there like it is little bit different. So next ninth question, see that till ninth all are like this only. Next ninth question is so if x the value of 5, we have to find the value of y. Value of Find the value of y in the given y in which distance point is in which distance point is in which distance point is distance point is to p is distance point is p is equal to bracket 2 comma 2 comma minus 3 and bracket uh, comma sorry and bracket comma 1 minute and bracket comma the question is q is equal to q is equal to bracket 10 comma y. So we have to find the number. What is the number of y? They did not give the y, so we have to find that. So let's find what is the number of y. Like this only, still two sums are there. So first I will solve this sum. The two sums you can practice as well. Distance formula on this only. First let's use distance formula you know, so I will not putting, but in the final exam you have to put the formula and then you have to write. Don't write directly. Then so first is, as you know, the question is p is equal to 2 comma 3. So x1 y1, this also you have to put x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 is 10 minus x1 is 2 bracket whole square plus whole square, that is plus bracket y minus, that is y minus bracket minus 3 bracket whole square. Next is we get 64. When we solve this, we get 64 plus 3 plus y plus 3. Next here also we should put equals 10 because 10 they have given. So here only q is 10 they have given. So only they have given here in q. So that also we'll put plus. We get y plus 3 bracket y plus plus we get y plus 3 bracket 100 is equal to 100, and when we minus this we will get y plus 64 minus 100, we get y plus 3 is equal to 36 we get, and square with this we get y is equal to y plus 3 is equal to 6, because if we have done square square, so when we done square 6 are 36, so 6, then y is equal to, now we have to find y is equal to 6 minus 3, so therefore y is equal to 3. Like this you have to solve the problem. There are two more problems in the in your textbook, so solve that. If you want more problems on this, I will give you. And section formula, now we were solving by using distance formula. Next is section formula. By using that we are going to solve the sum. So the section formula is p bracket x comma y, p bracket x comma y, x comma y bracket is equal to, it is equal to first, first one is m1 is equal to m1 plus my, m1 not m, so m1 not, that is m plus m into x1, m into x1 plus, that is plus m into x2, m into m not n we will take next is m in, n into x2, n into x2 we will take down, we will write here, we will write m plus n, and next is plus comma, next we have to put comma, and m y1, next is we have to put this m y1, we have to take y1, m into y1 plus m into y2 by m into n by m plus n, m into n, not m plus n. Finally, this is the formula for distance. Sum on this is, that is, so first one is the coordinates of the points, the coordinates of the points, the question is minus 1 comma 7, minus 1 comma 7 and comma bracket 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3. So I will explain one or two sums, so all other sums are like on this basis only, so you have to do other sums. Is, and its ratio is 2:3 is its ratio. So now we have to find the answer for this. So m is equal to, let's take 2:3 as m is equal to, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3. Let's take it 2 and 3 as like that, is equal to 3. As you know formula, so let's go to that formula where m is 2 into x1, that is minus 1 to 4, x1 not x2, 2 into 4, this 2 into 4 you can write this or like this, 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1, 3 into plus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 bracket 3 into minus 1 by m into n, m into m plus n, or 2 plus 3, m plus n means 2 plus 3 comma, next formula is we have to take, as you know, that is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 7, 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. So close the bracket. Now solve this. When you solve this we get 1 comma 3. This is the answer. When you solve this equation you get 1 comma 3. Like this, you by putting this formula, if they have given ratio, take one number, first number as m, second number as n, then solve it, you will get the answer. Not only some sums are there in that, so read that. So I will explain the next topics in my next video, and this is exercise 3 point, this is exercise 7 point, exercise 7.2, first sum, ninth not the first sum. This is exercise 7.2 first sum. So next is some sums are more from the 5 or 6 sums are there in the textbook, so solve they are also like this one the answer. So next 7.3 I will explain in my next video. So till here you understand anything, so like the video, comment on the video and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more video. I will explain the next topic in my next video. Till then, take care.